Okay, I'm with my buddy Nathan. We are going to do some kayaking on the Fox River. Like a pro. See that? Like a pro he gets in. And away he goes.
Man, it's been a while since I've done this.
You gonna make it? Alright, don't go too far. I'll be right behind you. My turn. Alright, we just started on the Fox River. We just got on back there at the bridge off of National in Mukwonago. So we're going to take this all the way into Big Bend. Join us.
Is that a real airboat?
I don't know.
It's up in the air.
Kind of looks like a real airboat.
Yeah, definitely up in the air.
It's a boat. Little construction off the freeway here. They got a boat suspended. Traffic repairs going on. Here we're traveling under the bridge, under the freeway. We're just cruising through. The river's really shallow today. And once in a while you can feel yourself hitting some rocks, but we're gonna make this trip. Even if I have to tow him.
It's just weird looking at what they're doing with the bridge.
Hey, is that a boat? Alright, we see an orange bucket way down there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. It's either an orange bucket or it's some orange object. We don't really know. Nathan says it's an orange Home Depot bucket floating. So we'll have to find out when we get there. Otherwise, the river's bottom, we keep hitting, sometimes we're paddling in probably, I don't know, 6 inches of water. Yeah, and then like a foot. And other than that, then you can't really see. So we're roughly somewhere around 2 to 3 feet of water. It's not bad. We haven't been temporarily, what do you call it? Stalled yet. But we never know yet. We're only just into it. This is Nathan. He is temporarily...
No, I'm not temporarily stalled. I picked here because I wanted to adjust the back. I wanted to get a little more so I could support on my back.
Oh. Okay.
That works nice.
I'm kind of going sideways down the river. Straighten out a little bit. I'm gonna crash. Definitely different back here. Again, shallow water. A lot of debris in this river. Interesting. Yeah, I see that's a pier. A lot of broken up wood down below. Go floating under a tree. Kind of not where I wanted to go exactly. What are you doing?
I'm not even, I tried to paddle around you.
I didn't paddle at all.
I know, I was just posting up behind you that much quicker. And I'm just like, uh-oh. Come on. Playing that game, are we?
I'm just kidding, I didn't do it.
Okay.
Boys will be boys.
Right here.
There's Nathan over there. Hi, Nathan. I just see his head. Oh, I can't see him. He's on the other side of this island. We were picking a side. We picked a side on the island to see who gets stuck because we didn't know which side was really shallow or which side was deeper, but apparently both sides of the island are okay. The front of it was just sketchy. It was just like 5 inches of water just skimming across pretty much the stones and stuff. And then it comes back out again. I wish I could paddle and video. Probably be kind of funny. There he is. I hear fish jumping. Yeah, we like to do goofy things like this. When you find a tree down, it's almost a must to try to work your way under it and then paddle your way back out of danger.
Oh, it's really dangerous.
Wait, is that the tree cracking? There we go. And then we got a log dam to come get out of.
Two turtle pops and two in a kayak. You have to work that one in.
That's all you hear is turtles plopping into the water when you go past these.
Man, oh, unbelievable! Look at how you can see how low the water is, and that would have been a perfect swinging tree. But I wouldn't swing on that branch anymore. I'd swing on it, and that thing would come right down on top of me.
That's a good idea of how low the water is.
Usually it's right up to the top by the grass.
Yep. And then this is usually underwater. It's just a big sandbar, but the grass is really grown up. It's pretty low.
You're out with a hippie, and I had to wear my tie-dye shirt that kind of matched the boat.
Looks kind of like you're floating in the clouds to me.
Yeah, look at the water, the way it looks, you can see the clouds.
It's like glass.
Up in the air.
I'm on inches of water. I'm actually bottomed out right now. So I just bottomed out in the river. I just took this course back here behind me. It's kind of a little island over here, and I decided I was going to go to the shallow area just to see if I'd get stuck. And well, I'm bottomed out, but I'm not temporarily stranded or anything. I just need to push myself through a little farther. I think Nathan's gonna crash. Alright, we gotta try to wiggle our way out of here.
This is nice. Now, which section over at Cabela did you guys do that? Where would I find that?
Right here you can see how shallow the water is. We're just skimming across, and I'll give you a little inside view.
Look at from the speedboat.
I don't know if you can see that underwater, but I thought I'd do a little underwater video for you.
Now this is cool up here.
Oh yeah. You gotta love kayaking underneath brush and branches, or just love kayaking wherever you are. I'm probably gonna get one in the eye. No, but you hit the branch, loser. Oh wow, I made it right through. Skinned my head on that one. Well, we are now coming up to the Center Drive bridge. It's taken us a little over 2 hours to get from Mukwonago to Center Drive here, National to Center. But we really haven't been doing much paddling. Here's a heron. Center Drive Bridge. Alright, we just went over the Center Drive Bridge, or went under it. Took about 2 hours to get here, I would say is average. And now we'll see how long it takes to get into Big Bend from here. Here's the old train trestle from the 20s. sometimes we try to go through the narrows.
Oh, here's the lock. Oh, I missed it.
Oh, that's a different log. We get some islands once in a while, so we'll split. Take the one side that looks a little more fun. In this case, is the left side. I think we're by the Big Bend with the Edgewood Golf Course. We're getting close to Big Bend. Yeah, we're going around another island. Little grassy islands. You got something on your lens there. Let me get it. Better. I don't know where Nathan is, but I can hear him. I can hear him. I don't know where he is. See him. Coming into Big Bend, which is alright. No more sun, all clouds. Sure, the sun will be out by the time we get back over there. Got
I thought you were going in there.
Of course you did.
Going in.
I said I would have helped you. Grab your boat.
This is so
I can tell your Nathan ain't wearing underwear. I only know that because his shorts are see-through. Alright. That was our journey from Mukwonago to Big Bend.